China and Russia are really attacking the dollar. It's not just headlines in the press, it's really happening. China, for example, has sold over 53 billion in bonds just last week. In other words, it had US bonds, US government fixed interest, and they've sold it. They don't want to have the dollar, they're investing in gold. And you've seen in the last few months, they've been buying gold and not investing in US Treasury bills, which they had done historically. Putin recently said the deglobalization or the de-dollarization of the world is actually happening. He said it's not just us, it's countries around the world say that America has taken advantage of the fact that the global reserve currency of the world has been the dollar. He says that the Americans owe 53 trillion by actually just printing money. He said just magically $10 trillion has appeared in the last year that has magically gone to the US economy. Okay, he's right, he's got a point. The reality is the dollar has been abused, if you like, or certainly has been used, and they printed more and more, or digitally added more and more to the economy. It stimulated the American economy, and of course other countries have suffered. Well, we see that the dollarization of the world, if I can get the words out, well, yes, probably we will at some stage, but in general it takes an event. In other words, it takes a big war or civil war before that happens. If you look at the history of what's happened over the last 500 years, election coming up at the end of the year, could that cause perhaps America to destabilize? Some people think there's a possibility. In fact, Ray Dalio says it's as much as 40–50% chance that there could be a civil war. Okay, right now, it doesn't seem that it's going to be a fast decline. It looks like a gradual decline of the dollar. You'll have your own opinion, but one thing's for sure, the dollar is in decline.